Good morning. It's Friday, July 21st, 2023. This is your Georgia WeatherNet morning update. A very active weather day yesterday, the afternoon into the evening hours. Strong straight line winds. That was the main threat. Up to 70-mile-an-hour winds created a lot of damage across the state of Georgia from metro Atlanta all the way down into the mid-state. And today, another severe weather risk. Level 2 out of 5 severe weather risk. Does cover Atlanta, Rome, Macon, Columbus, Dublin, Savannah, Statesboro, most of pretty much all of middle Georgia, parts of North and South Georgia as well. And if you're not in the yellow band, you're in that green band, level 1 out of 5 severe weather risk. And then tomorrow, we're going to reduce that risk a bit, but still level 1 out of 5 for all of South Georgia, most of middle Georgia, the rest of the state just with that general thunderstorm risk. And then some drier air moving in on Sunday, northwest Georgia in the clear, the rest of the state with that general thunderstorm risk. So let's go ahead and get to before we get to the modeling, let's take a look at our heat advisory that we have for today. And here it is. So the orange color, that's the heat advisory. So expect those heat index values over 100, getting close to 110 in some spots. And then in parts of southeast Georgia, the darker magenta color there with an excessive heat warning. So heat indices over 110 in some spots in southeast Georgia. So it's going to be very hot, very humid once again today. So just be very cautious, stay indoors if at all possible. And if you have to be outside, limit those outdoor activities and stay hydrated. So let's take a look at the modeling for this morning. A few scattered showers around metro Atlanta. We move through the late morning hours. We may see one or two little thunderstorms pop up here and there. Going to be very few and far between this morning. Things are pretty quiet until we head toward 2 o'clock. Then some more thunderstorms start to develop around Atlanta. We head toward 4 o'clock. They become a little bit more numerous. Again, we could see a thunderstorm anywhere in the state today. Plenty of heat and humidity. Just need a little bit of lift to get these things going. And that is all that it takes. But for the most part, we stay dry with a little bit of sunshine. That'll help warm up the atmosphere, destabilize it, and get ready for some more fireworks later on this afternoon. This is 5 p.m. You can see a cluster of those thunderstorms right over metro Atlanta. And just like yesterday, they continue to slide to the southeast. So as we head towards 6, 7 o'clock, going to be moving down around Milledgeville, in between Macon and Augusta, heading toward Statesboro and Swainsboro. 8 p.m., they continue to slide down to the southeast. Maybe a few storms replacing these up in northwest Georgia. So we'll watch out for a few of these to go strong to severe as we move to the evening and late night hours tonight. Our main threat will be strong straight line winds and maybe some hail with a few of these storms. Not really showing a lot of the tornado parameters, but with those, if we get winds like 70 miles an hour again like we had yesterday, that can cause just as much damage. So you can see the map really starting to light up by 10 o'clock tonight. Now going through the overnight hours, still some clouds around, scattered showers possible. Not showing much here in terms of rain overnight, tonight into tomorrow morning, but we will see a few showers here and there. And then moving through the day tomorrow, pretty quiet for the first part of the day, and then some showers, thunderstorms start to move back in later in the evening. This is the 8 p.m. modeling, and Sunday will be our better day of the 2 days as we get started with a few showers, but a little bit more sunshine starts to move in. This is 11 o'clock in the morning. 2 p.m., scattered showers possible, mainly in North Georgia, and the rest of Georgia just looking at a few isolated storms through the day. So again, rain chance pretty likely as we head into Saturday. Still a chance on the board moving into Sunday as well. But it's going to be hot and humid all weekend long, and those temperatures will climb back up into the mid to upper 90s as we move into next week. That's the latest from the Georgia WeatherNet. Now your local forecast from northwest Georgia to southeast Georgia.